What will Apple name the successor to the iPhone SE? Rumors that Apple will soon introduce a new budget smartphone to replace the iPhone SE have been around for several years. Despite the fact that the original model could hardly be called a bestseller, the idea of a compact flagship really came to many. Therefore, when the reputable insider Ming-Chi Kuo, known for the accuracy of his forecasts, confirmed the release of the second-generation iPhone SE, everyone was just overjoyed. In the end, who refuses to get almost top-end hardware in a compact package? That's just, most likely, it will not be the iPhone SE2, but something completely different. When Apple showed the iPhone SE, even its name indicated its isolation from the main line. Then in Cupertino for the first time they refused any numbers and comparative degrees in branding, focusing only on letters, which also had a completely understandable and logical decoding. I think it would be logical if Apple leaves the name SE in the past, focusing on something else. Firstly, the launch of the iPhone SE2 is controversial because of the specialty of the original model, which came out as a device independent of the main line. It was a kind of experiment, because until that moment, Apple had not done anything like it. Secondly, by releasing the iPhone SE2, the company seems to sign that it puts uniqueness on the stream, which means that in the future you need to wait for the third, and then the fourth model. And, given that Apple has been thinking for several years whether to release an updated version or not, there may not be any further continuation. Thirdly, if iPhone 8 is taken as the basis for iPhone SE2 in Cupertino, the magic of the original SE will simply evaporate, and this is perhaps more important than anything else. iPhone 8s or iPhone 9? Another question is how to name the future semi-flagman. If the iPhone SE2 a priori does not suit us, but we need to preserve some shade of the device's non-linearity, the name iPhone Z might come up. At one time, there were even rumors that this is what the novelty will be called. True, then it was said that the device will have the appearance of the iPhone X and weaker hardware, and since a beginner will not be guaranteed to have a relationship with the top 10, you need something else. iPhone 8s? iPhone 9? But retrospective titles are not Apple style. Maybe the iPhone 11C would be similar to the iPhone 5C? But the design of the 8 clearly does not cause associations with new products. But the iPhone CE, Compact Edition, in my opinion, sounds good.